but to find a good takeaway shop, you've got to travel, you've got to try. And we have got a nice one in Manurewa we've found, and now we're going to try this one. And if it was as good as last time, it's pretty good. There is a little bit of a wait, but it's worth the wait. The takeaway shop is in Maraetai. If you're coming through Maraetai, go to the top of the hill as though you're heading to Manurewa, and it's just by the gas petrol station. It is pretty good, and it's good. It's worth the wait, but